Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. Who has been appointed as the new president of Asian Cricket Council? Right answer is option A, Mohsin Naqvi. Who will be the 52nd Chief Justice of India in 2025? Right answer is option C, B.R. Gavai. Which state has achieved the GI tag for Khasi handloom products? Right answer is option D, Meghalaya. How many medals has India won at the Archery World Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, 4 medals. Who became first Indian to win the gold medal at World Boxing Cup 2025? Right answer is option A, Hitesh Gulia. What is India's rank in the medal tally at ISSF World Cup Buenos Aires 2025? Right answer is option C, second rank. What is the mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option D, Gaj Simha. World's Heritage Day 2025 was observed in which day? Right answer is option B, 18th April. Which city's Sehnai has recently been granted the GI tag? Right answer is option A, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Which state government has launched Maitri 2.0 portal? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra state. Amalsa Chiku of which state has been granted the GI tag? Right answer is option D, Gujarat. Who has introduced Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha? Right answer is option B, Kiran Rijiju. Which country has been become the second largest exporter of tea in 2024? Right answer is option C, India. Who has released the report Education and Nutrition Learn to Eat Well? Right answer is option D, UNESCO. Duro Makert has been become the Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option B, Serbia. Recently, Chapata chili of which state has got the GI tag? Right answer is option A, Telangana. Which country's airport has won the title of World's Best Airport in 2025? Right answer is option C, Singapore. What percent of tariff has the United States imposed on the Indian goods? Right answer is option D, 26%. The bilateral naval exercise Indra 2025 took place between India and which? Right answer is option B, Russia. Who has become the fastest Indian to score a century in history of IPL? Right answer is option A, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which has become the 36th state or union territory to join the Ayushman Bharat scheme? Right answer is option C, Delhi. Who has become first European country to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? Right answer is option D, Hungary. Where was the ninth Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, New Delhi in India. Asia's vertical lift bridge, Pamban Bridge, has been inaugurated where? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu in India. Who has recently become the chairman of 23rd Law Commission? Right answer is option C, Dinesh Maheshwari. Which country will host FIFA Women's World Cup in 2031? Right answer is option D, USA, United States of America. Where has India's first Himalayan Climate Research Center established? Right answer is option C, Udhampur in Jammu and Kashmir. Where has the 15th BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting been held? Right answer is option D, Brasilia in Brazil. India's 107th National Park, Simlipal, belongs to which state in India? Right answer is option B, Odisha. Which country is the host of exercise Desert Flag 10? Right answer is option A, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Which country will host the 5th Asian Youth Para Games 2025? Right answer is option C, Dubai in United Arab Emirates. Where was the Bharat Summit 2025 organized in India? Right answer is option D, Hyderabad in Telangana. According to United Nations report, what is India's rank in terms of AI investment? Right answer is option B, 10th rank. World Earth Day observed annually on which day? Right answer is option A, 22 April. Which state is the host of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option C, Bihar. Where will the India's first quantum computing village be established? Right answer is option D, Amravati in Andhra Pradesh. When was Civil Services Day celebrated in the year 2025? Right answer is option B, on 21st April, which will become the world's first city to run completely on renewable energy. Right answer is option A, Amravati in Andhra Pradesh. This question is as a test that where was the Bharat Summit 2025 held in India recently? Your options are option A, Hyderabad, option B, Chennai, option C, Mumbai, and option D, New Delhi. You have 5 seconds to answer this question and your time starts now. So please have your answer of this question in this video comment box and will please support and share this video to your friends and relatives. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.